Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Today, in English language, we are going to study about the people who help us. Through this topic, we will also learn about the doing words. So, children, before moving to the topic, let's understand what are doing words. A doing word tells what someone is doing. Doing words are also known as verbs. For example, look at this picture. She is reading a book. So here, read is a doing word. Now, can you tell me what she is doing? Yes, correct. She is skipping a rope. So here, skip is a doing word. Some more examples are sleep, fly, spray, think. All these are doing words. Now let us learn some more doing words through the topic people who help us. I am a tailor. I stitch clothes. Children, what does a tailor do? Tailor stitches our clothes. Here, stitch is a doing word. I am a postman. I bring letters. Children, what does postman do? Postman brings letters. So here, bring is a doing word. I am a carpenter. I make wooden things. So children, can you tell me what does carpenter do? Correct. Carpenter makes wooden things. So here, make is a doing word. I am a teacher. I teach you to read. Children, I think you all know what does a teacher do? Correct. A teacher teaches us. So here, teach is a doing word. I am a farmer. I grow crops. Children, do you know what does a farmer do? Farmer grows crops for us. So here, grow is a doing word. I am a policeman. I catch thieves. So children, what does policeman do? Policeman catch thieves. So here, catch is a doing word. I am a cobbler. I mend shoes. Children, do you know what does cobbler do? Cobbler mends or repair our shoes. So here, mend is a doing word. I am a pilot. I fly a plane. What does pilot do? Pilot fly a plane. So here fly is a doing word. I am a doctor. I treat sick people. So children, what does doctor do? Doctor treats sick people. So here treat is a doing word. So children, I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you.